running to you, running, running, running to you. Hey darlings, welcome back to another video. So guys, go with me to lectures. Yep. So yeah, I'm going to lectures. So go with me today. So far, I have closed for lectures, so I'm going home. I couldn't capture today's lectures because I even forgot I was capturing this thing. So yeah, I'm going home to meet the girls in Dati. We will be going to side talk for it, so maybe I'll be taking you guys along. So yeah, let's go. We have to make justice to some fufu before we continue the journey. So yeah, go with us, okay? So from here, we've gotten down at some fufu joint to be. So
Gamus, eating his breakfast. Hey, this was swimming in the water. Gamus, hey, swimming in the water, eating his breakfast, Where did you go? Where did he go? He wants to sleep. Gamus, swimming in the water, eating his breakfast, Where did he go? He went to sleep. Gamus.
anyway, which one is
You
this?
watch it on daddy's phone.
Oh, okay. So yeah, we are here waiting for our food. Then we chop. Some of them, mommy. So I left some jollof for them, so they have already eaten. Please come back. Please come and sit down. Come and sit down. If we are going together. Please. What did you grow? Singing a bit too. Come and sit down.
All them nobody go feel love you like I love you. Yeah. Forget about them. Nobody go feel love you like I love you. Yeah. Forget about them.
Hey, the same thing and we are repeating like that.
I love you.
I got joy, 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 joy overflow in my life. I got joy, 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 joy overflow in my life. There's no more sorrow.
Everybody say, I got joy. It's not like that joy overflow. See my life. Liver.
Your turn. Say hi, non.
I'm just a balloon.
It's okay. My phone. Okay, I'm try. It's very nice. farm. We are done eating. Jamie, we are Mr. Star. Wait for daddy.
Follow me.
Yo, passay. Hey. From before my niece, then they are sleeping. So I had to go back and then carry them because all of them were sleeping and the road too wasn't good at all. So yeah, we have gotten to the site. So far we are at the site. Where will be the shower? Which side? Yeah, right there. And then now, remember behind it. So here is what? Visitors washroom. Okay. And here is what? Kitchen. Yo. The hall is here. Another room too is here. Actually, move. Hey, you are not done. Okay, this room. This is the washroom.
We cannot get everything.
You can do everything here. Listen. You bring all your things. So that you come with everything. You bring all your things.
Oh. I'm going to the steps. See, come I lost my TV. I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV where?
Yeah.
Get up and let's go.
Yeah.
Mama, I'm quite okay.
Wait.
Over there, the place with the Sundays.
Where the water? Say cheese, take a picture. Say cheese, take a picture.